In modern networking concepts with TCP, that's the Transmission Control Protocol, and UDP, the User Datagram Protocol, the most common of such port numbers include ports 20 and 21, which are both used for different purposes in the File Transfer Protocol, or FTP, as well as port 22, SSH, the Secure Shell. Port 23 is Telnet. Port 25 is SMTP, also known as the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Port 53 is used by the Domain Name Server System, that is DNS, and then DHCP, the Dynamic Host Control or Configuration Protocol, that is port 67 and 68. You may notice that some of the protocols on your system have more than one port and others only need one. The Trivial File Transfer Protocol is known as TFTP and is port 69. Hypertext Transfer Protocol is port 80 with a secure version at port 443. The Post Office Protocol 3, that's POP3, is port 110. Internet Message Access Protocol is 143. NetBIOS is on select systems, and it allows for network communication. It might be associated with NetBoot or with I don't know about the booting from network booting and some systems, but ports 137 and 139. NetBIOS is Network Basic Input Output System, and then there's also NetBIOS over TCP/IP, or NetBT. That's what it is called when NetBIOS is running over TCP/IP. SNMP is the Simple Network Management Protocol and is ports 161 and 162. LDAP is about certificates on the X500 standard. And, well, not certificates, but data that's meant for your database. It's on port 389. So SMB, or Common Internet File System, the server message block, you might see SMB. Sometimes you'll call it Samba, or you might hear it called Samba. This is another protocol really associated with the sharing. And then port 3389 is for the Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP. Now, I am on a VNC, so I have ports 5900 and above. My display, then recording, is actually displayed on port 5905, and